Leatherman squirt. Sounds like a gay porno. Really, it's a pint-sized multi-tool. How pint-sized? How does under 2.5 inches grab you? The fit and finish feels great and construction is of high quality. Primary blade is handy, comes sharp if not razor, and is approximately 1.5 inches long. First tool I'm going to open are the scissors. They're sharp, come in very handy, I've used them quite a lot. Maybe not up to the same standards as Victorinox scissors, but that's my personal preference. Very useful. Next up is a flat-headed screwdriver and the ubiquitous thirst quenching bottle opener. A two-sided file, one coarse, one fine, is a welcome addition. And last of the fold out tools is a second, smaller screwdriver. This has saved the day on many occasions. Very handy. Open up the squirt to reveal its party piece. A set of very well put together, quite high tolerance pliers. I could also use these as tweezers, which I have done, to remove splinters. They also come with an excellent wire stripper stroke wire cutter. Perfect tool. Every jeans coin pocket or keychain should have a Leatherman Squirt ps4 in my opinion. Mine never leaves my keychain, except for this review. Speaking of which, if you want to see my EDC keychain, check out the link in the description. As always, thanks for watching guys. Take care, and if you like, please subscribe.